Oh, we must goodness. Wednesday, 28th of May. On my way to the mines. Supposed to be on leave. But yeah, when the job calls, the job calls. We unfortunately have to work to survive at the moment. But that will soon change. But I just wanted to show you guys how the fog looks this morning. Thick fog, visibility probably about 15 to 20 meters. The camera doesn't do it justice, but here's a lot of fog this morning. And we normally do get fog like this out here on the plot. So I'm basically driving next to our place now on the main road out of Swakop to Aranda side. And this is how thick the fog is. It's already 9 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, there is definitely opportunity to harvest this stuff. Just need to start getting to it. Lekker man.